Volkswagen has introduced a new Goodnight package for the ID. Buzz, turning the all-electric van into a more flexible option for spontaneous overnight stays and weekend trips. Designed for occasional campers, the package adds a bed frame, a custom-fit folding mattress, blackout covers for the windows, ventilation grills for the front side windows, plus a table and 2 chairs. Together, the equipment transforms the ID. Buzz into a compact micro camper for 2 people. The package also works with the latest software generation, which introduces a new overnight mode. This allows the vehicle to keep the cabin temperature steady for up to 48 hours, while reducing unnecessary lighting and functions to create a quieter sleeping environment. The ID. Buzz can also act as a mobile power source through its vehicle-to-load function, offering a 230-volt power supply with up to 2,000 watts of continuous output for devices such as cool boxes, coffee machines, or e-bike chargers. The new Goodnight package is available now for ID. Buzz passenger versions across both wheelbases and all seating layouts, with prices starting from €2,600.